So, in previous video, we have learned about rest and motion. When do we say the body is at rest and when do we say the body is in motion along with the example. Now here is a very important question that many of time asked in the exam also, that rest and motion are relative. Justify. So let us try to understand this concept with the help of an example. First of all, let me tell you what does it mean. Rest and motion are relative. It means that one body can be at rest or in motion at the same time. एक ही टाइम पे एक बॉडी रेस्ट पे भी हो सकती है and it can be in motion. It all depends upon the observer. Like suppose in the given picture, a person is driving a car, and one person is standing on the roadside. And as you can see, there are trees along the roadside. So the person who is driving the car, for him, the trees are in motion. But at the same time, for the person who is standing on the roadside, for him, the trees are at rest. So at the same time, trees are in motion and trees are at rest. The difference is only of the observer. Means in first case, the person who is driving the car is the observer, and in second case, the person who is standing out along the roadside is the observer. I'm again repeating, rest and motion means that one object can be at rest or in motion at the same time. एक ही time पे one body can be at rest or in motion. For example, if we talk about the trees which are given in this picture, so these trees are at rest for the person who is standing along the roadside, and at the same time, these trees are in motion for the person who is riding a car. So we can say the trees are at rest as well as in motion at the same time. That is why the rest and motion are called relative terms. You also have observed now, while you are sitting in a bus and bus is running, we can say running bus में जो आप जा रहे हो, the trees appears to be moving in backward direction. So अगर आपकी बात की जाए तो with respect to you, trees are in motion. But at the same time, अगर आपका कोई friend road side पे खड़ा है, तो for him the trees are at rest. Thus, whenever this question comes in your exam, always explain it with the help of an example. Now, before we move to the next topic, here is an important term called physical quantities. What do we mean by physical quantities? So, a physical quantity is any physical property that can be quantified. Quantified means that can be measured. जिसे हम नाप सकते हैं, measure कर सकते हैं using numbers. Example, length, time, temperature, force. Length हम कहते हैं 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. So we can calculate or we can say measure them. So all those quantity which can be measured using numbers are known as physical quantities. Temperature हमें पता है 98 degree Celsius कहते हैं, means it can be measured in the number. Time हम कहते हैं 3 o'clock है, it is measured in number. So all those quantities which can be measured in numbers are called physical quantities. So why we have learned this? Because physical quantities actually are of two types. Scalar and vector. Now when do we say the quantity is scalar and when do we say it is vector? I hope quantity term is clear to you, physical quantity. So scalar quantities are those जिन्हें समझाने के लिए, जिसे हमें specify करने के लिए we only need magnitude. Magnitude means numeric value. Like if I'm saying mass, that mass of an object is 1 kg. So I'm only taking the magnitude. Magnitude means number one. So all those quantities which need only magnitude are called scalar quantities. जिसमें आता है आपके पास speed, distance, work, etc. That we will learn speed, distance क्यों आता है, that further we'll learn in the upcoming topics. जबकि vector quantities are those quantities जिन्हें हमें specify करने के लिए we need magnitude तो चाहिए, numeric value तो हमें चाहिए, साथ ही साथ we also need the direction. Both are required. इसमें आता है आपके displacement and velocity. We'll continue with this topic in our next video as time is exceeding. Thank you.